guys, it's Tomb Raider, and I'm trying a new gaming application, Fight Back. You can get it from the Veraquest App Store, of course. I am never done this one before, first time, so here we go. Fight Back. Play in a well-lit space, keep your hands inside, and avoid fast moves. Oh, so you don't play with your controllers, I take it.
Hello, young one. Congratulations for your reincarnation as a newborn star. May your light shine bright and strong. Oh, but wait. I can sense that you are an earthbound creature in your other life. Is that true?
Yes.
Well, in that case, this will make you feel more comfortable. There you go.
Oh.
Does that feel better?
Yes, it
Traveling
does.
between realities can be unsettling at first. Who am I? Think of me as your guide, your inner voice. I'm a part of yourself, and I'm here to keep you safe. I don't know who you are out there, but here, you are the last born, a new star in this universe. Legend says that the first star that came into light had to fight dangerous and vile creatures. They were made of the darkest of shadows and were feeding off any light they could find. But the first one resisted, and she fought back. Thanks to her, new stars were born until the universe became filled with constellations of incredible beauty. But the shadows were never completely defeated. In fact, they retreated and waited patiently for millions of years, until the first star died of old age, and their hunger could be satisfied once again. That's when they crawled out of the darkness and captured the stars, one by one, so they could feed on them.
Make sure you
The shadows are now
revolving chair
everywhere,
when you're doing
and they
this.
hide everything from sight. Some have even forgotten that stars ever existed, that they are out there. We have just gotten used to the darkness, I guess. You are young and fragile. We shouldn't stay here. It's dangerous. Let's find your sisters, your constellation. Maybe they can protect us. Let's go. Do you see the darkness ahead?
Yes.
That's where your closest sister was last seen. I'm afraid she's been captured by a shadow too. But we have nowhere else to go. Someone must protect us.
Whoa.
Oh! A shadow!
Hey!
Thank you.
Young one, this shadow was keeping me captive, but your presence distracted it, and I could get away. Thank you. This must have been a scary experience, but don't worry. The shadows cannot physically harm you, but they can feed off your light. Luckily, this one was weak and wary, and I was able to use my protective circle against it. A protective circle is a powerful technique that forces the shadows to step back. Maybe you should try it. You get to decide what space is yours, and yours only.
How do I do that?
You made it! Congratulations! This technique can force the weakest shadows to run away if you push them far enough. I'm quite impressed by you, young one. You're already growing stronger.
Thank you.
Look at your hands. You're one of the last born, aren't you? I'm so happy to meet you. There are 4 more sisters in our constellation, but we have all been captured by the shadows. Will you help them?
Absolutely.
They
Count
can
on
teach
me.
you more than I know. I see great potential in you.
She's wrong. We're just normal.
I am forever grateful for your help. Now I can let my light be seen again in the skies, and my voice be heard.
Ooh.
I will guide you to our next sister. May your light shine forever.
What now? Knowing how to create a protective circle can upset the shadows and make them more aggressive. It's too risky.
Is the hardest. Oh, so true.
Do this. It's over.
Yes, you did it!
Oh, thank heavens.
You did well, little one. I see that you received training from one of your sisters already, but the path ahead is full of danger and deceit. Your protective circle won't be enough. You have to learn to defend yourself. I can teach you how if you want.
Yes.
Look,
This is so unfair. Why should we learn all this? It's not our fault.
your turn.
Did you do it?
Cross your arms, and your shield will appear.
Uh-huh. Okay.
You can now continue your journey. Our sisters need you. May your light be stronger than the darkest night.
Yes, sister. Thank you.
The shadows won't be easily defeated beyond this area. We cannot survive on our own. We need someone to protect us.
Oh, calling Elon Musk. Calling Elon Musk. Oh, or Wonder Woman.
That's a type of shadow we haven't seen before. It looks so strong.
You can do it. Continue to defend yourself, and they will leave you alone. It's okay. Take your time. Good job. Try that again. Good job. you remember to breathe. Success!
Be gone, devil.
It's over.
Okay. How do I... No, I gotta get my... ah. I'm gonna stop the recording here because I want to make sure everybody else enjoys the story and gets to complete it. So this is just a glimpse